Welcome to WorldCraft Logistic video. In this video, I want to go over packing list. So if you are getting this video from us, your packing list is missing information that we need. So let's go over example. What does it mean by we are missing information from you, right? So this is like typical packing list. You are buying you're buying shoes from China, from Best Shoe of China in Xiamen, and it's going to you, sexy Amazon shoe queen here in the US, right? So typically your packing list will look something like this, okay? It will have the number of carton, okay? 3-inch red shoes, too sexy size 4, and then 3-inch heels, too sexy size 4.5. So the problem with this, and then it have unit counts, weight, and stuff like that. So the problem with this is that when you send the shipment to us, right, your carton marking might have 3-inch red heels, too sexy size 4. The only difference is that it's this right here, 4 and 4.5. When you have this and you ask us to have the shipment leave the warehouse, it's extremely difficult because with just one little error of 4 and a 4.5, we could ship out the wrong item. So what we are asking our client to do now is that you also need to give us the WCL barcode from the outside. So what is the WCL barcode? I will provide a link below, but I know that many of our clients, I would say 99% of our clients already have it because we've been telling our client this for years. So right now we ask that you also put the WC barcode in the bottom. So for example, if you are getting this video, we just need you to give us the WC X barcode that you have, which is the product inside of your carton. Okay. So let's say the product inside is let's just say the product inside is being sold on Amazon, right? So the barcode is X1893689 8, right? So let's just say this is the product inside the carton, okay? But since we don't want to put the same Amazon FNSKU outside your box because that will confuse Amazon, what our company is doing is that we putting WC in the front. So basically what it is when Amazon scan your product, they don't know what WC is, but for us, we would know this belong to us, and Amazon cannot use it because of the WC, right? So this allow us to also, if we have an issue, we could always open up your carton inside and then match the master carton outside with the product inside. So if the master carton outside is WC X789 ending in 3588, when we open up, I will also match the product inside as well, 3588, right? So we know the master carton is correct, the product inside is correct. So we will do this for we will need this. So you get this email, you will get it. So here's an example, right? So the right way to do it is when you send in your product, like if you look at it, right? The majority is the same. The only difference is 4, 4.5, 5, and 5.5, right? This is extremely hard for our staff to pick. So basically, we are converting to a barcode standard, right? And this is example, okay? So this is example I have of the barcode. So in the link below, majority, like I say, majority of you guys should have it already. So like for example, right? You will need a product ID, right? So this is your product ID, or you call it FSKU. You put this on the outside, and then the barcode that you have is going to be WC W 059. It's pretty much the same like up here, but the thing is it start with WC, so Amazon cannot scan it. Only we could scan it. But the point is, like later on when you ask us to take product from our warehouse and ship to Amazon, you won't tell us to ship 3-inch red heels too sexy size 5. You just say, hey, I want to ship this barcode right here. It just make it, and then we also use scanners to scan it in. So this is what we needed. And then for example, there's another example, right? So if you don't know how to generate your barcode, another example that you could do is it. So what I have here is a chip bag, right? So this chip bag right here is 083594002075. So right here, I also put this barcode right here, and I put WC in the front. So when your product comes to our warehouse, we were able to scan it using our scanner to check it in, which is this right here. We will scan this to check it in, but Amazon cannot use it. So when they get to Amazon, Amazon will scan this, open up the MasterCard, and they will throw away the MasterCard with this barcode outside, and they will scan the product inside. And then, you're able to sell this product at Amazon, right? So that's pretty much how we do it, okay? So now let's move to an example of a large item. Okay, so let's say you are selling a large drum, okay? Let's say you are selling a large drum, right? You have different variants. This one's going to be a 24-inch white with gold trim flower. There's no flower here. I'm just giving an example. Let's just say there's flower here, okay? Another one might have a picture of a musical note, whatever, or blue flower, red flower. So our variance is different flower colors. So we don't want to look for a product in our warehouse with different flower variants. We just want to use the barcode. So this drum right here, most likely when the drum is 24-inch, it's going to be one carton with the Amazon FNSKU outside. We don't need you to generate a WC barcode. You could just tell us I want this product with this FNSKU to be shipped, because this one drum is going to be in one master carton. So the backup chip, for example, you could put like 50 backup chip in one master carton. The shoes, same thing. But when an item is big, like a drum, like this drum right here, most likely it's going to be when it's one item in one master carton, you don't need to generate WCL barcode. You just need to just tell us the FSKU number. So if you are getting this email, you're getting it because we need this barcode. Basically what it is what we're trying to do now is that we are trying to check your item into our system before the item get into our system. Think of it like how Amazon does it. Before your shipment even get to Amazon, you already register your product. So when it get there, it get checked in instantly. So this is what we're trying to improve in our company this year. And if you get this email, this is what we need from you, this right here. Okay? All right. Thank you very much.